Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to add a fingerprint on the Samsung S21 FE 5G. So first of all, open up your settings. Now scroll down to your biometrics and security. Here it is, security and privacy. Now you gotta add your lock screen. So let's press set lock screen and let's press fingerprints. Press continue. So first you need to set a lock screen if you don't have it yet, right? So press next. Choose PIN, and now you are to enter your PIN code. For example, let's just do something like this. Press use anyway, confirm your PIN code, press OK. Now we will be prompted to register our fingerprint, so let's press register. Now we need to press our finger inside the circle, lift it up when the circle will be fully highlighted, and then press again. Try to change the angles of your fingers so the fingerprint scanner will work better, right? Alright, we've got our fingerprints, so if you want to add another finger or maybe the finger of your loved one who can use your phone, simply press add and you can add more fingers, but I'll press done. Right, so here we can choose between fingerprints in this menu, and basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.